Besoro and Soraya Lynch Hatfield Body. Here we go. DJ, please, can you drop us a beat? And I will announce the names of our flower girls. Annabelle, Ofra, Afia, Noah, and the rest of our flower girls. DJ, please keep playing the song. Next in line for the bridal party. When I call your name, we'll come down to the middle and make your way down to the front. Here we go. From all the way from Liverpool. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fidrick, Afiaki, and Akari. Hold her hand. DJ, please play the song. Walk. Next, originally from Mona Hawaii, coming from the side of Bankstown, Australia, ladies and gentlemen, Shirley Vea and Malia Mowawi. Next in line, all the way, again, from Mona Hawaii, Talia Ubi and Bridget Bali, please take it away down. All the way from Mona Hawaii, Eduardo Bale and Lona Ohiva. DJ, play us the beats. Residing in Bankstown, Sydney, Australia, Sally Morikawa and all the way from the Otuamua, Mamuahapai, Tulu, Bali, and Sanga. Now we have the male one and the best man. Originally from Muahapai, Alipatekawa, and the lovely male one, Anna Lima. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we would not have a wedding if it wasn't for our lovely parents for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, walk down the stairs, Mr. and Mrs. Khan and Mr. and Mrs. Lynch. Ladies and gentlemen, to the main event for the night. Can I please get everyone to please rise? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the newly Mr. and Mrs. Lynch-Bali.